Hey everyone, this is Johnny with PewPewTactical.com. Today we're doing a field strip and reassembly of the Glock 19. Now this is a Gen 3 version, but Gen 1 through 5 should all field strip exactly the same. We'll begin by making this gun safe for disassembly, so remove your magazine and ensure that there are no rounds. Let's do a quick press check and make sure our chamber is clear. While pointing in a safe direction, go ahead and pull that trigger. Now this might be a little tricky, but wrap your hand from underneath the beaver tail to the top of the slide. There are two tabs on each side of the frame that you'll be pulling down while at the same time slightly moving the slide rearward. Keep those tabs held down and push the slide forward. This should release the slide from the frame. Let's put the frame off to the side for now. And from here we're going to remove the guide rod assembly. Simply compress and remove. To remove the barrel, push the top side up from underneath and grab it by the lugs and simply slide it right out. This completes the field strip of the Glock 19. Now let's reassemble. To do so, we're simply going to reverse the entire field stripping process. Grab your barrel and with the lug pointed up, place it right back in the slide. Make sure to move it rearward completely. Next up is the grab your guide rod assembly. The smaller end goes towards the muzzle, and the flat wider end goes towards the barrel lugs. Slightly compress for a flush fit against the barrel lugs. Your guide rod assembly should be parallel to the slide. Next, grab that frame that we had off to the side. You'll notice a couple rails on the top side of the frame. Align those with the rear grooves of the slide. Completely push the slide rearward as if you were charging the gun manually. Now let's check for function. Point in a safe direction, press the trigger, cycle the gun, and check for reset. This gun is functioning just fine. Our next test for proper function is going to be lockback, so take your empty magazine, charge the gun, and if you get lockback, then you're in good shape. Release the slide by pressing down on the slide lock, and we're all good. This has been the field strip and reassembly of the Glock 19. For a ton more information on guns like these, please feel free to visit PewPewTactical.com. And one last shameless plug, if you're in need of eye and ear protection that is top notch, visit ShellShockProtection.com. We promise you'll dig it.